Most people want to be rich. They dream of financial freedom, luxury, and peace of mind. But here's the harsh truth: most people never get there. Not because they do not earn enough, but because of their money habits. The way you think about, spend, and manage your money determines whether you will stay broke or become wealthy. So today, let's talk about the 5 money habits that keep you broke and how to finally break free from them. Because until you fix these, no salary, no bonus, and no side hustle will ever make you truly rich. Let's begin. Habit number 1, living paycheck to paycheck. You earn money. You spend it. Then you wait for the next paycheck. Sound familiar? That's the trap most people fall into. Even when income rises, expenses rise too. New clothes, a new phone, a bigger apartment. Suddenly that extra money disappears and you are right back to zero. It's called lifestyle inflation, and it quietly kills wealth. Rich people don't upgrade their lifestyle every time they earn more. They increase their investments, not their expenses. If you spend every dollar you earn, you are working for your money. But when you start saving and investing consistently, your money begins working for you. The fix? Create a gap between what you earn and what you spend. Even if it's small, start with 10% or 20% of your income. Put that money into savings or investments automatically before you even touch it. If you can't control your spending, you'll never control your future. Remember, you don't get rich by earning more. You get rich by keeping more. Habit number 2, using credit cards the wrong way. Credit cards aren't evil. They can actually be powerful tools if used wisely. But for most people, they are debt traps disguised as convenience. You buy something small today, $50 here, $100 there. Then interest kicks in. Before you know it, that affordable purchase costs double. And month after month, the balance never goes away. Credit card companies thrive on this cycle. They make billions from people who only pay the minimum due. That's how banks win, by keeping you in debt forever. Rich people use credit to earn rewards, build credit scores, and get cashbacks, then pay off the full balance each month. Broke people use credit to buy things they can't afford and pay interest for years. If you can't pay cash for it, you probably shouldn't buy it. And if you do use credit cards, treat them like debit cards. Pay the full balance on time, every time. Debt-free is the new rich. Habit number 3, ignoring where your money goes. Most people have no idea where their money actually goes each month. They know how much they earn, but not how much they waste. $10 on coffee, $20 on subscriptions, $100 on impulse buys. It all adds up and quietly drains your wealth. Wealthy people track their money religiously. They know where every dollar goes. Because you can't manage what you don't measure. If you don't know your numbers, your money is controlling you, not the other way around. Start tracking your spending. Use apps like Mint, YNAB, or Pocket Guard. Review your expenses weekly. Cancel subscriptions you do not use. And be intentional with every purchase. Ask yourself, does this expense move me closer to my goals or further away? You don't need to be cheap. You need to be aware. Awareness creates control, and control creates freedom. Habit number 4, trying to impress others. One of the biggest reasons people stay broke is simple. They try to look rich instead of becoming rich. They buy expensive clothes, fancy cars, and the latest gadgets, all to impress people who don't even care. They post about their lifestyle on social media, but behind the scenes, they are drowning in debt. True wealth is quiet. It doesn't scream through designer brands or luxury cars. It shows up in freedom, the freedom to live on your own terms without worrying about bills or debt collectors. The people who look the richest often aren't. And the people who seem average, driving old cars, living in modest homes, are often the ones with the most money in the bank. Stop competing with others. Start competing with your future self. The goal isn't to look rich today. The goal is to be financially free tomorrow. Before every big purchase, ask, am I buying this because I want it or because I want others to notice it? That one question can save you thousands. Habit number 5, not investing early enough. This is the most expensive mistake of all. Most people wait too long to start investing. They think, I will start when I make more money, or I will invest after paying off everything. But time, not timing, is the real secret to wealth. The earlier you start, the more your money compounds. A person who invests $200 a month starting at age 25 could retire with over $400,000. But someone who starts at 35, even with the same investment, will have less than half that. That's the power of compounding, and it rewards only those who start early. You don't need a lot to begin. Even small, consistent investments can grow massively over time. Index funds, ETFs, and retirement accounts like 401ks or IRAs are great starting points. The key is consistency. Invest every month, no matter what is happening in the market. Don't try to time it. Don't panic when it drops. Just keep adding. Remember, wealth doesn't come from working harder. It comes from letting your money work for you. So let's recap. The 5 money habits that keep you broke are: living paycheck to paycheck. 2, using credit cards recklessly. 3, ignoring your spending. 4, trying to impress others. 5, not investing early enough. Breaking these habits won't happen overnight. But the first step is awareness. Once you see the problem, you can start fixing it. And when you fix your habits, your finances will transform automatically. Wealth isn't about luck or timing, it's about discipline. If you change your behavior, your bank account will follow. Start today. Create a small savings goal. Cut one unnecessary expense. Invest a small amount regularly. And most importantly, focus on progress, not perfection. Because the difference between rich and broke isn't money, it's mindset. Rich people control their money. Broke people let money control them. So take control. Be intentional. And remember, small, smart financial decisions made consistently will change your entire future. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this today. Your journey to financial freedom starts not with a raise, but with a decision. A decision to break bad habits and build the life you truly deserve.